It's the BLONGshow. I'm gonna show you how to switch out a rotor on the on the Chrysler 200. So you wanna get your 14mm, take this slide pin out, get your screwdriver, push it in there like that. You see it come out the other side right here. And you want to pull on it so you can move that piston back. And then you can lift this up. And just like that, you can take the rotor off. Just that simple. As you see, this car is missing part of the emergency brake. I'm not finna deal with that. Don't replace rotors for people if they don't get new ones, because when the pedals start vibrating, they'll say it was your fault. Only reason I'm not replacing the pads because I just replaced these pads for her recently, so I know, she don't have too many miles on those pads. Clean your new rotor off with some brake cleaner. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go do that real quick. Okay, so I just wasted about 5 minutes because I didn't have on safety glasses, and when I sprayed the brake cleaner on the rotor, it went in my eye. So then I had to go in there and rinse my eye out. So I always tell y'all safety first, and I didn't practice safety first. So I'm in the house rinsing my eye out. Make it a practice to lube up your pins every time you take them out. And it needs to be brake lube, not just anything. So this one looking good and lube, so I'm not going to put nothing on that one. Slide that in there, tighten it back up, and you're all set. You can put the tire back on. Pump the brakes up. Don't forget to pump the brakes up. It's the BLONGshow. Save your money.